Alright, so I just thought of making and programming a new game, and I got the idea from Don't Starve. I figured, well, if people made Don't Starve a piece of trash, in my opinion, then why not just copy that game legally? So I'm going to work completely from scratch. Um, the game. I I did not go to sleep at all, and oh well. It's 5, 6, so it must be it's 7 right now. My computer is always slow. 7:51. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, which doesn't pause the video, but it's whatever. So, oh, let's see how long it will take me to make this game. Well, I'm gonna do it. I should probably stop watching Netflix and close software and put Don't Starve on my Wii U, because it'll help a lot. If you really want to know, if you, I don't even know if you heard the Wii U of the movie I was not even gonna watch. I was just gonna leave it on in the background. It was Zootopia. The only thing you would have heard was the bunny saying, "To whom did you sell them to?" And then that's when the weasel goes, "A rag named Doug," something. Anyways, so I have my gamepad with Don't Starve loaded. If you don't believe me, oh wait, hold on. Let me push that button. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna turn off Reign of Giants because, like, what's the point of doing that? All I need to do is see the menu, really, or the interface, I guess. Well, it's creating a world. So, while it does that, I'm gonna wish I had something to eat other than candy that I went to buy from the store and start working on this. Now, since I'm basically gonna copy a game, I mean, not, exactly, of course, differently, people who would make, I forget it. Anyways, I pretty much have every idea on how to make this game. Somewhat. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put D for data. This is what I always do. This might be the very first time I actually write this correctly. Okay, so there's that. Alright, anyways. Oh, this probably will not work on 3DS. I'm not in the mood for this yet. So, yeah. I just made this little sprite, which would be grass. Actually, before I do that, let me view it and have that down for a reference. Well, I guess it's gonna be this. Well, actually, it's not. I guess I'm gonna stick with 32. Now I just have to make this right here. This is going to represent an empty block. So grass. I don't feel like doing pixel stuff, so yeah, I'm using pen. Some of you might be wondering, well, why is it doing that right now, and why aren't I working on this again or something? Well, there's a pretty simple explanation, I guess. This is gonna most likely, whether it be something like Metroid, which I doubt it will be something where it has pre-made levels and a bunch of them. So like Tower Defense 3DS Fusion, the new one, will have like pre-made levels or something. So saying that, this game will take a long time to make, even if everything for it was already programmed. Whereas this right here, it's just gonna have a randomly generated world, and that's it. And the game will just work whatever it can. Alright, so I did get some coffee. I'm probably gonna die today, but who knows? Because I'm gonna stay awake for who knows how long, and then I'm gonna get some more coffee before I go to work. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to come back to sleep until 13. No, it's 7 right now. Maybe 15 hours from now, I'll be able to go to sleep. So hopefully this game will be done ASAP. For now, who knows? Am I not changing these titles? I guess it doesn't matter. Anyways, grass. Well, there will also be, what does the game have? A few things. Flowers. I guess flowers can be decoration. Actually, it's probably going to be pretty tall because trees are also going to be this size. Okay, whatever. And then a tree. Oh well. Who cares? It's just gonna have to be, we just have to deal with it. Tree. It'll be that. Let's see, they got twigs. I'm just gonna skip that. We get twigs from trees. But they did have rocks. I'm so used to clicking the pencil because for eternity I've been using only the pencil tool. And this does not really look like rocks. Well, I guess it could look like rocks. Pile of rocks. Yeah. Graphics, I guess, will look pretty weird, but I guess that'll be the style. Graphics with style of looking the way it will look like. Well, that's a basic little thing going on, I guess. I'm on my weed, by the way. I'm looking at, the world. Really, I guess there's really not much to show. It's trees, sapling, which, those twigs you could just get from trees. Or just not even use that, period. But, yeah, it seems like there's not much here. I guess most of the stuff comes from, when you craft things, or when you, go underground or something. I mean, they have mushrooms, but other types of trees. Seeds. The birds drop seeds sometimes. There's that. There's the totally normal tree, which is, well, it's not really normal. There's a tombstone. There's that thing. What is it called? Plugged sinkhole. Then there's that fat pig. What is his name called? Pig King? With an obelisk next to him. Pig houses. I mean, I guess there's a few things here, but now that I think about it, there's also like not much here. I mean, I know there's beehives and then boulders and stuff like that, but thinking of everything at once kind of just makes us feel like it's really a small game. Anyways, so yeah, on top of that, even though there's like nothing in the world, your inventory is like 20 items, like 12, 14 items, and I always use a backpack like most of the time, so I'm kind of thinking, man, what, forget this, I need to go to sleep. So I'm not going to. They do have enemies over the world, but I'm sure I can. Well, like I said, this probably won't work on 3DS browser. Alright, so I got a little basic thing going on here. Save it as Starve 3DS. And then export it as Starve 3DS.png. Alright, so now C equals this dot Q. And then for random generator, we're just going to do this. This will give us some pretty random crap. then, for one thing, the background will not be black. Let's change that to, and let's see if there's any errors going on. Doesn't look like it. Oops. Alright, so I kind of wish I what I'm going to do pretty much grid paper 3DS is currently doing right now. It does not, I mean, for like a little tiny bit of a second, you can see this line on the bottom, right? That's the background. What grid paper 3DS tries to do for 3DS browser speed is the background right now is painted once and that's it. And until I move a certain amount of blocks to the side, which is probably like one, it will repaint anything that the paint doesn't match on the canvas. Like when I'm jumping up and down, you see the canvas moving, but it's moved. Long story short, I'm going to do the easy way. This I can guarantee probably will not work on 3DS browser. At least not yet. I mean, if this game just so happens to feel pretty cool or something like that, then yeah, you know, I could go back and, you know, fix crap up and hate my life. But in the meantime, this I guess will be a browser game, computer browser game. Let's see. I don't feel like thinking, so. This should show me everything that happens. Alright, so there we go. Game's done. Not! God, you! Okay, see, that just proves I need to go to sleep. I'm not sure why this is like that. These two on the bottom look like they're just completely nothing. Like there's 2 rows. Which technically could be possible, but this is a huge coincidence if it's legitly like doing that every single time I refresh the page. So I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, I know why it's doing that now. There we go. Now this, I could see it making sense. I could understand why it's doing that. So let's go ahead and make it like that. Alright, so there's that. I wonder if there's a way to make this exact codes or whatever basically shorter. Like this probably would in the future maybe be something like this equals window on key up key code. I don't know. Because really, this is just basically something that just changes one character. So, how was your all days? What the heck? First of all, for a second I thought I was a lowercase p. Well, second of all, that's supposed to be y. Alright, so for a little cheap player, that's the player right here. Boom. Brum 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 brum. Actually, now I need. Should have a little thing going on here. Yeah. What was that noise? Is that a car or was that my laptop? Anyways, I'm I'm having a hard time thinking. They're login, huh? Did I put that up there? What the heck? Is that English? Anyways, yeah, they're login. I think they mean like their login. Like is their login. But what I was thinking of just now, I was thinking about putting bad login for the login page. There is a login though, you have to log out to view the login. I guess there needs to be a log out button there. Yeah, there does. There's no log out. I could literally fix it like right now, but forget it. Oh man, what am I doing? What am I... What's going on? No, I heard online that if you're programming stuff, you should always still just go to sleep, live your life as normal. Because people, I heard that even if you stay up trying to get programming stuff done, drink coffee, whatever, do whatever you gotta do, you're just not gonna function as fast as you would if you would have gotten sleep. So it's like, I've read it's kind of just like, you know, don't even bother staying awake and do stuff. What you should do is just be healthy and wake up normal, sleep normal, and whatever. But what do I know? I do know for the past 10 minutes I probably didn't even write a single line of code. I don't know what to do next. Okay, I'm making Don't Starve. Let's see. Hearing some music to motivate me. There's no music on that. There's days and stuff. What do I need? Oh, March. Okay. I know what I was doing right now. The margin. This is the margin of the player. So, shit, I don't feel like, I think they should fix it. It should actually be this minus the margin. So if I add a minus there, I should probably fix it. Right, I don't know what I'm thinking. And then the player should be margin all the time. Hopefully I'll have this working the way I'm hoping it would work. And clearly it's not working as the way I was hoping it would work. No, this one doesn't need margin, or if it does, what this also needs is the player. So, actually, you know what, I think this should just be player. Well, actually, player times that. Okay, thankfully that worked. Yep. Appa, yep. So what I want to do is, what's next? I'm going to add this. Crap, no, I can't do this. Key up, this makes it equal 0. Well, Ugly code, but whatever. And then basically, if no keys are pressed, I want the player to automatically connect to the grid. And this will basically make programming stuff easier, I guess. I don't know. I don't feel like thinking or doing anything right now. So yeah, it'll snap it into place. So now doing that, it'll just make choosing, no, whatever. I'm just gonna do that for now. 37, I guess. I'm just gonna make this so that I know the direction the player is facing. And by default, it'll be facing towards you. Alright, so this should just simply erase whatever the player is standing on, and in the background, oh, that didn't work. That should have worked. Well, let me look going at it. Blank. Key 13. It turns off all the keys. Then I equals the item of the data for the player stack. Wait. No, I think that's right. PX, PY. Well, I don't know why this isn't working. $203? Why is that 203? 202. Why is that 2? Oh. Well, yeah, that should be 0. This should be, I think, like 2 or something. It's 0. Okay. Am I clear X. As expected. Oh, I know what's going on. The margin. Oh. In order to fix this. Okay. I did not fix it. Oh my god. No, that needs to be a negative. Right? Yeah. Oh heck. 2, okay, 0, and probably, no, 3, okay, I got it, this will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, I just said hi. Okay, so, but, if that works, and if this is refreshing the thing all the time, why isn't this working? Why does it equal undefined if items I equals items I or 0? So if it equals undefined, it'll equal 0. And then you increment that. Why is there undefined here? Oh, that's what it means. I thought this used to change to 0 automatically if, you know, the other, wow, okay. I know why it says undefined. But this. Oh, okay. Well, I fixed that problem. So now, I can take that. Take this. I can take that too, actually. The game won't know. And I can take that. Actually, the game would know. It won't be able to take that. And I have 1 grass and 2 flowers. I didn't get any trees. I thought I got a tree, but I guess not. Oh wait, yeah, there's a problem, isn't there? No, it's not. That is right. Undefined times 2. That means 0 and 1 equals undefined. So if I get this, it will say undefined times 1, 1, 1, 3. Yeah, there we go. I can basically take items and stuff. So, but that's not what I want to do actually. If I'm going to make this game like Don't Starve edition. Starving. I need to move this. And then have this, which represents the grass that you just picked up. And if you pick up a flower, I guess I'll just do a flower. Tree, I guess I could have tree stone. And supposedly a tree could grow back, technically, I guess. Technic tree. I also suppose if you harvest or hold on. I know what to do. Let's make food be the only thing with color. How about that, huh? It'll make this game have a nice art style, I guess. This could possibly be mistaken for blood. Or maybe even like that's a face. Or no, this is a new Pokemon. This is a new Pokemon. It's Ghost, Gym Ghost. Gym Ghostimon. This is the eye. That's the eye. That's the mouth. And these are the earrings. And its head is like a soft, puffy cloud. It's ghost type. This is a new Pokemon. So now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So make or random generator have 7 stuff to do. Actually, this should be. Oh, wait, never mind. Hey, so how big is this for anyways? 100 times 100, what is that? 10,000? 10,000. 10,000 blocks. So basically, this is what I'm doing. What was doing 1/10 of the world. Alright, there we go. We got ourselves some random stuff going on. Since this would overkill this 3DS, like, it'll probably make the 3DS crash, but I freaking know. I'm going to put a simple thing. Simple way to save some drawing time. Man, what's that? It's already 7:30. In 20 minutes, my job opens for employees at least. And then 6 hours after that, it's going to be me working. Oh, so all that lagging, that was because it was drawing. So yeah, that definitely would have killed a 3DS browser. 3, 6, 9, 10. Probably cut this down a little bit. Alright, so actually I do not want this. I want this. Well, I might as well put okay. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so if you're gonna harvest 2, if you're gonna harvest number 2, I don't recommend harvesting number 2, but if you're gonna harvest number 2, let's see, I is the type. If I equals 2, it's going to equal 1. Anything else will just be 0. Whoops. Whoops. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I equals 5. If I equals 6, it will equal 5. And if I equals 5, it will equal 4. And if it equals 4, it will equal 0. Do y'all hear that airplane? Alright, so basically it's like harvesting steps. This should be gone. Gone. Turn into a little grass pit thing. Look at that! It's just like Don't Starve, kind of. Chopping wood, you know, extremely fast, you know. If you're gonna survive this place, you gotta do this crap fast. Look at that. Man, this stuff is so freaking easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Why didn't I do this before? This feels fun. What in the world? What's this? It feels nice. It just feels fun. I mean, I'm the programmer. Of course, I'm having fun. Holy crap! I like doing this. Oh man, this is like Don't Starve, but the version where you're not gonna get all stressful and feel like quitting, like I do all the time. All right. Well, I was gonna do something. Of course, what you're really harvesting, I need to change it in the code or something, is if the tree has the apples, you will automatically harvest the apples. If it has the leaves, like this one, it will, I don't know, probably harvest saplings or like a piece of wood or and some twigs, I guess. And if you harvest this one, you get some more wood. And if it's this, you get grass. If you harvest this, I don't know, you get more grass, but you know, it won't be a plant anymore to regenerate. Now, yeah, I'm thinking, do I just have a loop or something in the background, automatically finding random objects, seeing if it needs to be updated? Or should I be like Don't Starve? I believe it's what Don't Starve does. Is if I harvest a plant, then, you know, if I harvest, if I did that, and did that, then a few minutes later, this will basically pop with the tree, and boop with the tree, and then boop with the tree, like in order. Like, I'm sure Minecraft is random. If you plant like 20 trees, you know, they all kind of just grow at random. But if you do that and Don't Starve, I think if you did plant trees 20 times, well, maybe the trees are random, but I think they, I know the grass for a fact does not grow at random. Or at least not if you plant them where she was playing what I was playing. Because I had a grass farm, a little small one, and the grass literally grew right before, like, it wasn't randomly growing. It grew after a very specific time. So I don't know if I should do that or what. I kind of feel like doing random, but if I do it random, you know, stuff might not update until like 20 minutes from now. I'm gonna do a fixed time limit. Okay, grow. Alright, what is number 2? 0, 1, 2. 2 is grass. So when 2 goes in on the 1, Okay, so okay, something I can understand easier. This should grow the cut grass or harvest grass after 5 seconds, I think. So let's see if it works. And boop, boop, boop. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Realistically, it would not be 5 seconds. It would probably be more like 51 minutes. Or at least it's going to be like doing Star. It'll make you starve. It doesn't lose anything in that game. Okay, so that's for type 1. 0, 1, 2, type 1 diabetes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4. If it's 4, this is a tree. Oh crap, my key feels like this. You know what? I think it's called cut grass and don't starve too. I mean, it is a cut grass. Three minutes for wood. And then five minutes from the tree to the apple, which is, you know, food, and, you know, this game is supposed to be survival games, so it's going to be hard to actually survive. Actually, so let's go ahead and do that so we can see it in action. Harvest, harvest. It grows back. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I know. I know. Well, actually, let's go ahead and put this here. Because it doesn't matter. If it doesn't actually grow something, it will automatically delete that, so. What the heck? Ah. Boom, boom. I don't think it's gonna grow anymore. Oh no, it might grow more. These are just, they're not, the game doesn't know about those. Nope, it stopped. I know why it stopped. Because I'm deleting that when it still has another step to evolve into. So yeah, now I think this should all work. Trees, of course, takes longer by 1 second than grass. Come on, turn into an apple. Turn into an apple. Well, that sucks. I really thought that would have worked. You know what? If this is going to do that, that time should reset. I really don't know why that didn't turn the tree into an apple tree. Why? If the type does not equal... Oh! Okay. Now it should work, I hope. Hope the guy will work. Come on. Okay. Okay. Applemon! It's the Pokemon! Alright, so technically I got this going a little bit. I mean, of course, you're not like a character, and you're literally gonna have to hover above stuff, but you get the idea. So this is saying I have 2, 4 stuff. 0, 1, 2. I have 4 grass. I have 2 wood. No, I have 1 wood trunk. I have 5 of these, and 1 of these. Is that what it's saying? No. I don't have any, I have one rock. I could get a plant. This will make it say H1. H1. Wait, what? No, 6-1. That's what I'm here. 6-1. Yeah. So, yeah, I got this, you know, a little basic start of making a game like Don't Starve. I mean, extremely, very basic. This, you know, this really does not look anything like Don't Starve or anything like that. But, you know, you get the idea. You could probably kind of feel it, like how it could be a little similar, sort of. You know, it does that. You know, the items are being tracked. Just, you know, you don't know how much you have or anything. And then the plants grow after a fixed time limit. And you could harvest this all the way in case if you really, really, really needed it, but then it will go away for good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I could, you know, I don't know, I could just do anything I want, you know? I could, was I using black? I probably was. I can go ahead and make something that looks like, what is this? Why is this in the game? And yeah, it makes you wonder, like, what is this game? What's going on? What exactly is that? That's supposed to be a building or something. So whatever that is, you might be wandering around somewhere and be like, oh, what is that? And then just harvest it. I don't know. I wanted to stay awake. I even got coffee, but screw this crap, man. Sleeping feels so good. Anyways, if you like this, subscribe or tell your friends, do all this kind of crap, because I'm going to have to stop paying for internet and all this crap because I just don't have any money. Literally, I've been doing stuff like this for like 6 years, making websites, trying to make money somehow, even with games. Games is what I stuck with. I was actually drawing art and stuff like that. I tried to do stuff with Cafe Press to make money, and I got nowhere. Literally, this whole time, all I made was literally a single penny. A single penny. And where did that penny come from? It came from a YouTube channel where I have like 2 videos of Mario or something like that, because I'm doing the Nintendo Ambassador Program thing. No, that's 3DS thing. The Nintendo's Creators Program, yeah. That, the ad revenue gave me a single penny. So literally after 6 years of trying to make money online, do crap like this, go through death and stuff like this to, you know, make this stuff, literally I only made a single penny. So if you could share this, heck, even if you want to comment or do something or spam this or, you know, say hello, hey, which I kind of avoid. Sometimes I usually avoid that stuff, but if you want to do that, say that, it'll be inspirational to keep going and all that kind of crap. But really, 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 if you're actually watching this probably 3-hour video, if it even saves, I don't even know if it's saved, share this website with people, share this stuff that I do. This is really, really hard work to do all this stuff right here. Look at all this. This is not even everything I've done. If you go here and go here, you can see a list of a lot of stuff. Look at all this crap. Like, seriously, stuff I've never finished, or, you know, just crap. So if you can, some of these are copies anyways, but if you can, you know, this is hard work I've been doing. Just share this with people. Tell everybody you know on the internet, hey, this is a thing that's been going on for a long time. No one really ever known about it or anything. I want to go to sleep. So, hold on. I got an idea. I think my Wii U will take forever to do it. So I'm gonna start going to sleep soon. And yeah, share this, do whatever you can, please. That'll help a lot. Donate $5,000 or something. That'll be great. Hold on. I'm still here. Alright, so